for today's video, let me show you on how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. To get started, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the direct message icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Now simply find the conversation that you want to turn off the vanish mode. For now, let's select this chat right here. As you can see, the vanish mode is turned on. To turn it off, simply swipe up until you see this text message where you need to release it. And there you go. The vanish mode is turned off. Another method you can do is to simply tap on their name above, then tap privacy and safety. Next, locate the vanish mode option and toggle off the button beside it to turn off the feature. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.